Hey there, struggling with your TP-Link device? If you're seeing the dreaded message, the connection between your access point and router or cable modem and the internet is broken, you're not alone. These connectivity issues can be frustrating, but don't worry, help is at hand. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix TP-Link, the connection between your access point and router or cable modem and the internet is broken. Let's get started on restoring your internet connection. Step 1. Check physical connections. First things first, let's ensure all cables and connections are secure. Unplug and then reconnect the Ethernet cables between your router or modem and the access point. Check that the cables are not damaged and that they click firmly into place. A loose or damaged cable can be the root of the problem, so a quick check might save you a lot of time. Step 2. Restart your devices. A simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Power off your TP-Link, access point, and router. Wait for about 30 seconds, then power them back on. Wait for a few minutes until all the lights on your devices stabilize before testing your connection. This process refreshes the connection between your devices and the internet service. Step 3. Run the TP-Link Tether app. Download and install the TP-Link Tether app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the app and connect to your TP-Link device. The Tether app provides an overview of your network and often identifies issues automatically, offering recommended fixes. Following any prompts or suggestions the app provides to resolve network problems efficiently. Step 4. Check access point settings. Log into your TP-Link router's web interface. Use a web browser and enter the IP address of your router. Sign in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the wireless or network settings section. Verify that the access point mode is correctly set. Sometimes misconfigured settings or recent firmware updates can cause disconnects. Make changes if necessary and save your settings. Step 5. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can contribute to connectivity issues. Check for any available firmware updates for your TP-Link device. You can do this through the web management interface or the Tether app. If updates are available, perform the update, ensuring not to interrupt the process. Firmware updates often include fixes for bugs and improved device performance. Step 6. Conduct a factory reset. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset on your TP-Link device. Be cautious. This will erase all your settings and return the device to its original state. Use a pin to press the reset button found on the device for about 10 seconds. After the reset, configure your TP-Link device again, either through the Tether app or the web interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix TP-Link, the connection between your access point and router or cable modem and the internet is broken. Remember to check your physical connections, restart your devices, use the TP-Link Tether app, review access point settings, update firmware, and if necessary, perform a factory reset. Keep these tips in mind to ensure your internet connection is stable and efficient. With your TP-Link device up and running, you're ready to enjoy seamless connectivity. Don't forget to prioritize regular maintenance by keeping your devices updated and checking connections periodically. Happy surfing.